I really find joy in making. Hi there, guys. Happy Saturday. How are you all doing? How has been your week so far? It's been a long time. We had last catch up, and I wanted to come here and say hi to you all. And how you all doing? You can comment down below and let me know how's your life going, how's everything. Basically, last time we had catch up, I had mentioned that we were leaving from Mumbai and coming back to Bangalore. So it's been quite some time since then, and I just wanted to show some days after that, and also wanted to update you that I finally got to start that book club. I don't know if I mentioned it in the previous videos, but I finally started it with one of my very close friend, and I'm so happy that we at least started this. So what we did was we just randomly put the chits for the genres of the book. And if you know me, you know my love for rom-coms, and I really wanted to start the book club by starting with a rom-com book, and that's what ideally I wanted. So I had put rom-com, classical, cozy thriller, and something I'm not quite sure. So these three or four categories I had put, and she had also added hers. And finally, we got the book club, and that was rom-com, and I was so super happy because I really wanted that. And basically, let me show you the book that we picked up for this month. It is called uh, meet meet me in the paradise, and it's by Libby Hupsker. And basically, let me read it. It says Maureen Cole has never seen the ocean or climbed a mountain or taken a risk on love, but if her sister's plan works, she might do all the three. So it's a really pretty book, and it's basically captured, or most of it is happening in an island, and Saint Martin. I'm not sure what is the island called, but then actually they uh, mm, yeah, it's called Tropical Island of Sabah. So basically, the whole book is actually situated on an island. You can see from the cover itself like how pretty it is, and very coastal, very beachy, and it's a rom-com, and it's moreover about discovering yourself after a tragic incident in your life, and going out of your comfort zone, living fully. So a lot of things like that. So if you like beachy kind of light-hearted or light read, you can definitely consider this one. I would so far see I have completed almost more than half, and only this much is remaining. So based on my reading, I would rate it 3.5 out of 5. So it's pretty good, and you can give it a go. So that was an update on the book club, and I'm so looking forward to more and more book clubs. I love reading, and I love interacting with people who love reading. So yeah, officially the first book of the book club is Meet Me in Paradise. Yeah. So this is all about the vlog, and I hope you enjoy the vlog. If you do, please like it, please share to your people who might like this kind of content. They might, because I'll tell you what, whenever I feel, like I want to watch something, I generally prefer long form content on YouTube rather than going and seeing a series or watching a movie or something like that. I don't know why, but I just love that. So, if you know some people who might like, long form content, cozy content, and just girly content, you can definitely share this video with them. My vision is to actually be a full-time YouTuber, and start having a stream of income from YouTube itself. And for that, I would really appreciate your support to, expand this channel and help me to reach out to more people. And that's what I would request you if you like. And now, without any further ado, grab yourself to the coziest, comfiest place in your home or wherever you are, and have that cup of coffee or cold coffee or tea and enjoy the video ahead. See you soon. Let's go. So pretty. No, I think we are happy here. Oh, is it? Hi there, guys. Hope you're doing good. Please avoid the sound of the fan because it's a little bit hot in here, and I was just in the mood to cook something fancy today, being my birthday. So I really find joy in making and preparing meals for the family. So basically, I'm making a very easy, a little bit lengthy though, but an easy way to make a lasagna. And I thought, let me capture it, and share with you all. So I've just started, but before that, what I really love to do is I like to play some music behind, just instrumental, no songs, just jazz. And I take the wine glass and pour water and drink water along the way. Sometimes I'll add ice also, but I don't think that's required now. So this is a reminder for you too. If you are just cooking plainly and taking it as a task to do, you can add this kind of fun things and it will be more interesting. So for lasagna, we will need white sauce and red sauce. So I am just starting to make the preparations for red sauce because that will take a little bit time for boiling and stuff. So I have just taken like 4 tomatoes and I'm just putting them to boil. I know it's very costly right now, but only on occasions like this we go all out and do something. So I have just taken like 4 medium-sized tomatoes and putting it to boil. So meanwhile it gets boiled, I'll go ahead and prepare the stuffing for the lasagna. So the tomatoes are getting boiled in here, and meanwhile this we had already done in the morning. These are bell peppers, yellow, red and green bell peppers, and this is 1 medium-sized onion, and People do add mushrooms and olives and stuff, but I don't like mushrooms, so I have skipped that. But according to your choice, you can add anything in here. You can throw in any veggies that you like, and you can make out of it. So it's just simple. These are the ingredients we are going to use for the stuffing. So let's get started. So currently we are for the preparing for the stuffing. I just added chili flakes, basil, and a little bit of oregano as well. And I'll just add some black pepper and salt, and I think this should be good to go. We don't have to make it completely cooked. It has to be a little bit of crunchy as well. Hi guys, so I wanted to share the secret of the recipe with you. So instead of lasagna sheet, we are going to use these breads, like normal white breads, and what we do is we cut the corners of the bread and then we just roll it and make it flat and try to make it as flat as possible. This is not the exact the product that I want, but we'll try to make it as flat as possible. Maybe use hand or and the rolling pin and stuff, but that's the secret. So you don't need lasagna sheet. You can just cover the entire stuffing with these breads as well. So that is what I wanted to share with you. And my husband is helping me to cut out the corners, and I'll just quickly do it and show you the final results.